Ever walked out of a salon, spa, or fitness studio feeling amazing, but then that little voice in your head pipes up about the cost? We've all been there. You want to prioritize your self-care, your wellness, your fitness goals, but sometimes those larger ticket services or even a series of regular appointments can feel like a big upfront financial commitment. It's a common dilemma in today's world, where economic realities often bump up against our desire to invest in ourselves. Think about it. That transformative hair color, a full day of spa treatments, a new package of personal training sessions, or even a membership to your favorite yoga studio. These are investments, not just expenses, in your well-being. But if the entire cost hits your bank account at once, it can feel prohibitive. This often leads people to delay or even forego essential services, which is a loss for both you and the businesses providing these incredible experiences. This is where the concept of flexible payments comes in, and it's rapidly changing the game for consumers and businesses alike. The buy now, pay later model has exploded in popularity across various industries, from retail to travel, making big purchases more accessible. It's all about breaking down a larger sum into smaller, manageable installments. And guess what? This convenience isn't just for buying clothes or electronics anymore. It's now making its way into the world of beauty, wellness, and fitness, thanks to innovative platforms that understand the modern consumer's needs. So, the big question on many people's minds, especially those who rely on platforms like Vagaro for their appointments and bookings, is this: does Vagaro do payment plans? Can you really get that high-value service today and pay for it over time? The answer, in short, is yes, but with some crucial details you need to understand. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We'll explore how Vagaro facilitates these payment plans, who benefits, and what you need to know to take advantage of this fantastic feature. First off, it's important to clarify what Vagaro does payment plans actually means. Vagaro itself is a comprehensive business management software for salons, spas, fitness studios, and other wellness businesses. While Vagaro doesn't directly act as a lender to consumers, it has smartly integrated with third-party, buy now, pay later, BNPL, providers to offer flexible payment options to clients of businesses that use their platform. Think of it as Vagaro providing the rails, and these specialized payment companies providing the financial vehicle. The primary way this works is through Vagaro Pay Later, which is a feature available to businesses using the Vagaro platform. When a business opts to offer Vagaro Pay Later, they are essentially giving their clients the ability to split the cost of services, products, or even classes into manageable, interest-free installments. This is a game changer for both sides of the transaction. For you, the client, it means greater accessibility to services you might otherwise hesitate to book due to the upfront cost. Imagine wanting a full set of hair extensions, a series of rejuvenating facials, or perhaps even a year-long gym membership. These can easily run into hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. With Vagaro Pay Later, you can break that down into typically 4 interest-free payments over a period of weeks, often 6 weeks. This significantly reduces the immediate financial burden, allowing you to enjoy the services you desire without draining your bank account all at once. It's about empowering you to prioritize your self-care and wellness without financial stress. The beauty of it is that it's usually interest-free, meaning you pay exactly what the service costs, just spread out over time. From the business perspective, offering Vagaro Pay Later is a powerful tool for growth. Businesses see increased conversion rates because more clients are able to afford their services. They often experience a higher average order value, as clients are more inclined to add on additional services or purchase premium packages when they can pay in installments. And perhaps most importantly, it leads to higher purchase frequency. Clients who can manage payments more easily are more likely to return for repeat services. For the business owner, the best part is that they receive the full payment upfront from the BNPL provider, usually the next business day. This means no waiting around for client payments, no risk of default, and seamless cash flow management. The payment provider handles all the installment collection and any associated risk. So, how do you, as a client, actually use Vagaro Pay Later? It's designed to be a seamless experience within the Vagaro booking ecosystem. When you're booking an appointment or purchasing products through a business that uses Vagaro and offers Pay Later, you'll typically see it as a payment option at checkout. You simply select Vagaro Pay Later, as your preferred method. From there, you'll be guided through a quick process to set up your installment plan. This usually involves providing some personal and payment details, and then confirming the payment schedule. Approval is often instant, and once approved, the first installment is charged, and your booking is confirmed. You'll then receive a clear breakdown of your payment schedule, outlining when each subsequent installment is due. It's worth noting a few key points about Vagaro Pay Later. First, it's currently primarily available for businesses within the US. Second, while you can split online transactions between gift cards and Vagaro Pay Later, you generally cannot split credit card and Vagaro Pay Later payments. Third, businesses themselves can set minimum purchase amounts to qualify for Pay Later, so always check with the specific salon, spa, or studio if you're unsure. Finally, and crucially, remember that while these are interest-free installments, it's still a financial commitment. Always ensure you can meet the payment deadlines to avoid any potential late fees, which would be handled by the third-party BNPL provider. You can typically manage your payments and view your schedule directly through your Vagaro client profile. Beyond Vagaro Pay Later for clients, it's also worth briefly mentioning that Vagaro offers financial solutions for businesses themselves. For example, Vagaro Capital is a funding solution that provides businesses with cash advances based on their credit card processing volume. This is a completely separate offering designed to help businesses grow and manage their own cash flow, not a payment plan for consumers. So, when we talk about Vagaro doing payment plans in the context of a client paying for services, we're almost exclusively referring to the Vagaro Pay Later feature. The integration of flexible payment options like Vagaro Pay Later truly embodies the evolving landscape of consumer finance and business services. It's about meeting clients where they are, understanding their financial needs, and removing barriers to accessing quality services. For businesses, it's a powerful tool to boost revenue, enhance customer loyalty, and provide a more inclusive and appealing experience. So, the next time you're eyeing that incredible new treatment or a series of classes, remember to check if the business uses Vagaro and offers their Pay Later option. It might just be the flexible solution you've been looking for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.